Hello everybody, my name is Bill and I'm with Pine Top Management. We are here at daycare, one of my contracts here with my daughter. She's down here from Arizona and about to unload the equipment, and there's not really much to do here. Had to clean out a little bit of leaves that's on the corners down here. That's what she's doing down here, cleaning all the leaves in the corners. A little windy out here, so I didn't want to disturb the leaves with the blower. I wanted to just go and pick all the corners up and just go and run through everything, tidy up everything. Well, I'm about to unload the equipment and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, we're back. Got everything unloaded. I'm gonna go ahead and try to blow off the parking lot and everything. And this is my new piece of equipment here. It's called the Scag windstorm. It makes my job so much easier. That right there is a monster. That's all I gotta say. And that's my right standard ZK. That's another monster. It definitely get my job done around here real quick like. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started and we'll get back with you in a minute. Landscaping is easy work. As long as you got the right equipment to do it, you do it forever. You know, I just bought this equipment, so it's gonna last me at least 20 years, you know? So I could pass this on down to my beautiful children and let them take it on over. As long as we do a quality job in these complexes, they'll never let us go. You know? So I keep the quality going on. They want a manicured appearance, and we're here to deliver that. A manicured appearance at all times. So that's the whole key. Try to keep it looking beautiful. Curb appeal. That's what my customers like. And with that,